playing with that ball? No. Do your homework. Do your homework.
I will cut you on the head if you say that again. Like with these.
Do your homework.
No, I don't like homework and I want to be in the video.
You were in it.
No, I want to be in some more. Where's my action? This video is being about school, not me. I want to be in a video. What? I want to be in a video, Mom. So please, can I be in a video? Mom, make a video of me.
Oh, he caught the ball. Good job, Stuart.
Ooh, kind of fun. Lucky you're fun. I have a video, Stuart. I have a video.
Hi, bud.